Hi, RKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in sunny Junction City. This is November and we still got sunshine. It's like Autzen Stadium. It never rains at BISH'S RV. I'd like to show you this used 2018 Winnebago in tent. The model number is 29L, so it's a little over 29 feet. This is a really great priced motorhome. They're very affordable. This is only about 3 years old. It's got super low miles, just over 7,000 miles on this, so it's barely broken in. It's got a lot of nice features for a small family. It's a great floor plan. It's got the drop-down bunk, it's got a sofa, it's got a dinette, it's got TVs. Even has an outdoor kitchen. Let's go have a look. Not only do you have an outdoor kitchen with refrigerator, you got a nice 32-inch TV right here. You can tailgate right here. You got a sink right here. You've got some storage down here, and of course you got the bottle opener. So real nice setup right here, very convenient. Let's go have a look on the inside. So this being a Class A gas motor, it's going to have the Ford Triton V10. Very reliable motor, and I take it back, it has about 8,600 miles, not 7. As we back up here, you can see it's got a rear monitor camera. It's got left and right side cameras. You have this drop-down bunk, which is really nice to have if you have guests or kids. It's very nice setup right here. You got these chairs right here. They, of course, will rotate and become part of the living room. These chairs look very nice. There's no, doesn't seem to have any wear and tear on it at all. So this is a very clean coach. You got a nice 40-inch TV right here. I always talk about the viewing angle. This is a pretty decent viewing angle. The TV is out of the way. You got lots of storage here. A nice little dinette booth here, which obviously breaks down into a small bed. And the same thing here, you got a nice little sofa with some cup holders back here. This too will break down into a small bed, so very convenient in that respect. You have no carpeting on this motorhome throughout to include the bedroom, so very easy to clean the floors if you have pets. This is a nice one. Nice countertop. You've got an extension here, dual stainless steel sinks, lots of storage. You've got a nice, clean 3-burner gas stove. You also have a gas oven, very convenient. Nice little microwave and a electric refrigerator and freezer. This is actually brand new, so they just installed this. The old one had some problems, so our company just decided to replace it. So it's a brand new refrigerator freezer combo. Everything is here. You've got a solar control panel, so obviously this motorhome has a 120 watt solar panel up on the roof, so you never have to worry about your batteries running out. So your control panel is here, and you have some storage here. Very deep pantry. You would be able to fit a lot in here, so no issues with pantry storage. Here's the bathroom and shower. Please have a look. And then as we move into the bedroom here, you have a very deep wardrobe with it's a hanging closet, so plenty of storage for coats and sweaters. You have more storage down below. You have another integrated 32-inch TV. Again, a very nice viewing angle here. You have some storage here as well, some counter space. And this is a walk-around queen. And you have a nice headboard there where you can lean back and relax. You have some lights here, and I love these cubbies right here, and they have USB ports and 110 outlets, so it's great for storing books and iPads and iPhones or whatever, Androids. Lots of storage along here as well. So very nice motorhome for the money. This is a 2018, so it's lightly used, low miles. Nice little floor plan. It's just a little over 29 feet. Again, this is a 2018 Winnebago Intent 29L with a brand new refrigerator. It shows well. It's very clean. Come have a look at this motorhome. I'd be happy to show it to you or any other motorhome we have, of course. Again, my name's RKavanaugh. Give me a call. Take care.